Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to fix the issue with your Discord being blocked. So if you're currently experiencing issues that saying sorry you have been blocked, you're unable to access Discord, then this video is a perfect video for you. Now there's two ways to go about doing this. One is just simply wait until the issue is resolved, or go ahead and try these following solutions that I'm about to share with you. Now what I'm going to do, if you're currently using browser for example to access Discord, let's say Google Chrome for example, you want to simply open up your Google Chrome and then simply click on the three dots on the top right hand side, and then you want to go to extensions, manage extensions. Now guys, you want to simply remove or delete any extensions that could cause this issue. Right now, once you do that, if this does not solve the issue, then you simply want to go ahead and click the three dots on the top right hand side, and then simply go on history and then click on the history here. Now on the uppermost left hand side, you want to come here and click clear browsing data. Then you want to simply go to advanced and you want to select everything, guys. You want to select everything, and then you want to come here and click all time, and then you simply want to click on clear browsing data. Once you do this, you can go ahead and try again. If this still does not solve the issue, go ahead and click the three dots on the top right hand side again, then simply go down to help, then about Google Chrome, and make sure that your Google Chrome or any browser that you may have is simply up to date. And to update your browser is quite similar across most of the browsers, so the steps will potentially be the same. Now once your Google Chrome is updated, all you have to do, just simply click relaunch, and this will relaunch the Google Chrome for you. So as you can see now, I have the latest version of Google Chrome installed. Now if this does not solve the issue, guys, you want to move on to the next step. So simply click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and simply type check, and you will see check for updates. You want to click check for updates and ensure that your computer is fully up to date. Right now here you can see right here that my computer is up to date and there is no need to do it. But in case your computer is not up to date, you simply want to click check for updates, and you simply want to make sure that your computer is fully updated. Now the next thing that you want to do, just simply click on the Windows icon again and simply type firewall. And once you type firewall, you simply want to click on firewall and network protection. Now once this is open, simply click on domain network, and here where you find Microsoft Defender Firewall, you simply want to turn this off. You will get a prompt. You simply want to click yes, and this will disable the Microsoft Firewall for you. And as I said, guys, if you try these steps and it does not work for you, just simply wait. You're not the only person who is currently experiencing this issue. And while the steps that I'm sharing with you can help fix the issue, in many cases, you simply have to just wait. But regardless, I really hope that these steps will help you to fix the issue. It has done so for me, and I really hope that you will have luck using these steps to fix the issue for yourself. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.